In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo changes on a selected element in Webflow. Whether you're designing a website or tweaking a specific feature, it's important to know how to revert changes without starting from scratch. So let's dive right into it. First, head over to Webflow's website. Once you're there, look for the option to either sign up or log in. If you don't have an account yet, it's a breeze to create one. You can sign up using your email and a secure password, or if you prefer, you can quickly log in using your Google account. After successfully accessing your account, you'll find yourself on the Webflow dashboard where all your projects are managed. Now, go to the Sites section within your dashboard. This is basically the control panel for all of your website projects. Navigate through your available sites and click on Open Site for the project you want to work on. Keep in mind that loading times here might vary depending on your internet speed and your computer's performance. With your site open, it's time to locate the element where you made those changes. In Webflow, any recent changes on an element like adjustments to the width or color are usually highlighted in blue. This visual cue helps you easily identify what can be reverted. Hover over the element to see the highlighted changes. Once you've identified the element you'd like to adjust, simply select the option to reset those changes. This is generally a straightforward process and brings the element back to its previous state. This way, any alterations you've applied can be quickly undone without affecting other parts of your design. After you've successfully reset the changes, it's crucial to publish the site. Find the Publish button, usually situated at the top of the page, and click on it. This action ensures that all your modifications, including the ones you've just undone, are saved and reflected live on your website. When you hit the Publish button, you'll be prompted to choose where to publish your site. Webflow allows you to publish to selected domains, so if you're working on multiple domains, make sure you select the correct ones for your changes to be visible. And there you have it, that's how you undo changes on a selected element in Webflow. Remember, practicing these steps will make the process even more instinctive over time. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel more confident managing your Webflow projects. Thanks for watching and happy designing.